we are on the way to the airport right now because we're gonna be going on a family trip to their favorite topmost destination nga naman talaga. Opo. Hulaan nyo guys. In 3, 2, 1, yun. Malamang alam nyo na, nasa title ng vlog na to. Ayun, pupunta ulit kaming Bangkok, this time with the whole family and a few friends of my dad. So, ayun, for Christmas and guys, tumataginting na 10 days kami doon. Diba, akalain mo yun. Tayo na ako pag-uwi. We're like 4 hours early this time kasi December daw. So, kakailanganing pumunta ng maaga. At buti na lang hapon yung flight namin kaya naka-in-game na siya kaya. Pero ayun, for the sleep, kulang ako sa tulog. Parang 2 o'clock ako. Kasi sobrang late ko na naman natapos mag-pack. As usual. Because packing is my arch nemesis. Oh my God. Pero ito na kami. So, we are done. Thank you, Kuya. So it's currently 11:34. We spent about 2 hours to check in and immigration. Girl, nakakaloka. Sobrang haba ng pila. Lalo na December ngayon at pa-Christmas na. So, ayun. For future reference, if ever mag-travel kayo ng December, kailangan super aga nyo kasi OA talaga yung dami ng tao, girl. But yeah, finally, already done buying breakfast. I got my favorite from Starbucks. This one is the cold foam espresso. Basically, it's just frost milk with 2 shots of espresso. Tapos, egg white, turkey ham, and fontina cheese. Yes. But you can't hide. Can't hide. And we're back! Sobrang late na. Time check, it's 8 ba? Wait, what's the time? 6:48. Minus 1. Okay, 6:49 pala. Akala ko 8 ang OA. Pero, kakabalik lang namin sa hotel. Kakarating lang namin sa hotel kasi super traffic going here. And gusto ko nang maligo. So, magdudinner muna kami with some friends of my parents. Kaya, for the palit muna tayo ng top and also retouch na lang. But today is gonna be chill kasi gabi na din. Bukas na kayo magsha-shopping ni Achi. Sa hindi ko pa alam. So, yun yung agenda ko for tonight. Mag-research ako saan bang okay mag-shop ng local stores. As in yung pupuntahan. Kasi parang may mga nakita ko mga reels and TikToks about it. So, ayun. Ayoko na mag-shopping sa mall. But yeah. Ayun na! Ayun na! But yeah, hopefully, makapag-shop kami soon ni Achi sa mga local stores. Ay, Christmas na talaga. Okay ka na. So, napulit na ako ng top, guys. Kasi, mamadali na kami. May reservation daw at 7 and we arrived din parang 6:45 na. So, kung na namin umalis. And, it's Italian night tonight. I hope it's good. 1 year nang kinakrave ng tatay ko yung aglio olio nila. And ako, kanina pa ako nag-crave ng kanin. Kasi mali yung order ko sa airport. Airplane. Yung in-order ko is yung may mashed potatoes. Tuloy may kanin ba? Good ba ko eh. Pero yun lang. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay guys, so kakauwi lang namin sa hotel and in fairness, naka 12,196 steps na tayo at I told you 12,000 steps. Pero grabe nilakad namin from 13,000 steps. Huh? Ilan? 13? Kasi nag-grocery ka. Anyways, hindi namin nahanap yung Smisky lamp or for James. So, I just got this one. It's Molly. na small lang. Gusto ko sana yung 400%, pero girl, ang laki nga. Malamang 400 nga. So, ito na lang muna. Dito ko na lang i-unbox. I want the green Care Bear or red Coca-Cola. Yun yung pinaka-wishlist ko. Oh, please! Ala. Oh my gosh! It's a Care Bear! Okay lang, yellow. Ang cute. Green sana, pero okay lang. Care Bear! It's so cute. It even has a minigun. So cute. I'm gonna name you Goldie. Goldie the Golden Care Bear. But yeah, I love yung pag ganito niya. Ay! Good morning, guys. It's our day 2 here in Bangkok. And ako ang unang nagising, di ba? Kasi kailangan kong basain yung hair ko. Because idadayso ko siya. And today, very chill lang. It's my dad's itinerary today. Basically, outlet shopping. Tapos, nakalimutan ko magdala ng brush. Di ba? Ano pa nakalimutan pati yung gamot ko. Buti na kasama ko ang ate ko dahil meron siyang sulay. The Central Outlets, basically super high-end brands, lahat. At sumama lang kaming dalawa for the family activity. And we got here via a van that I booked through Klook. By the way, this outlet is a bit far from the city. Parang dito 40 minutes drive siya. So use my code, of course, KLOOKDEN for 5% off. Actually, nirent namin yung van na yun for 10 hours because maraming gustong puntahan yung dad ko. And it's his day today. But yeah, sobrang spacious din ng van. So if mag-shop kayo or may yung mga family na mag-shop-shop, pwede ilagay doon. Tsaka 10 hours na namin siyang na-rent for 8K. So kahit ilang points sa Bangkok or even basta within Bangkok lahat yung points na yun, 8K siya. Siam, guys. Sobrang daming ganap dito. Like, as in, parang siyang napakalaking floating market, but it's inside a mall. Like, air-condition lahat. So, if you're planning to go here at ayaw niyong mainitan sa mga night market or something, this is a good alternative. Ang dami sobrang pagkain, clothes, dessert, at sobrang mura lang talaga, guys. I mean, look at that. And di lang siya puro ganito. Parang sa ibang floor, mayroong mga restaurants din if ayaw niyo kumain ng mga night markets and food. But yeah, I think it's a must visit. Dito kami nag-cruise last March. If you've seen my old vlog, meron kaming pinuntahan na parang dinner cruise. Dito yon sa may port ng Iconcia. But ngayon na lang ulit ako kumain sa parang night market area nila. It's our day 3 today and the both of us are gonna ride a Move It. Grab pala, a Grab bike going to our restaurant for today. So medyo malayo siya. First time niya mag-ride ng bike dito. Dito? Oh, kagabi. Sabay kami aalis, paunahan. So, yung pupuntahan namin is called Watana Panich. It's a 50-year-old beef soup na never sinastop yung pagluto. Di ba? Like as in, beef noodle soup siya. Tapos 50 years old na daw siyang niluluto. But yeah, super excited kasi Michelin star rated siya. So, ayun, sobrang sarap na. And marami na akong nag-post din sa TikTok. Kaya gusto ko siya i-try. Lapit na kami guys. Nakikita ko sa G-Max ni ate. Street, hindi, that's open. Siyempre, layo din. Nang narating na. Parang highway na. Sarap. Daming Earl. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
So we just finished lunch guys. Sobrang sarap yung beef noodles. Okay na. It's the best na na-try ko ever. Dito na food sa Thailand. So parang usually same lang yung kakain natin dito. So it was a good like experience to try something Michelin star. And now we are at a cafe. Medyo nilakad namin siya from our drop-off point. Nagmotor na naman kami. Kasi sobrang init, girl. At saka tirik yung araw sa side to ng bangko. So parang it's a kind of dito kami sa Bed Coffee. And they have my favorite espresso tonic, but this time with lychee. It's similar to the one sa Couch Club Capitolio. And as you can see, busy si Achi kasi the little boy. Hello. So cute. Sleeping boy. Hey, wake up siya. So cute. Ay, ala, ang cute. Hello guys, so it's our day 4 today. Dito kami sa Quezon Mall. O diba? Purpok sa branding. Kaya Quezon. Chares. Pero mall day lang kami today kasi bukas medyo maaga-aga yung gising namin. Like we have to go out of Bangkok by 10 a.m. So, hindi muna kami nag-adventure today ni sis. We're just gonna do shopping kasi kahapon wala kaming mga nahanap na local Thai brands na malapit sa places na pinupuntahan namin. But today, itong mall pala na ito is puro local Thai brands. So, bongga siya. I'll just insert videos here. Yung mga na-fit ko na damit and also mga binili ko. Kasi, yun talaga yung hinahanap ko. Like, mga local na bottoms, pants, whatever. But I did buy shoes. Yung pants sayang, sobrang laki niya. Large. Tapos, sold out ay medium. Pero ang ganda ng cut. Like, yung pa ganon. Sulit. Sayang. Hindi na ako tumingin kasi medyo mahal din. Hindi siya yung mura. But today, we're planning to go to Second Street Wholesale, which is a vintage store. So, sana naman makamura tayo doon. Hello guys, so it's our day 5 here in Bangkok. But today, wala tayo sa regular city setting. We're in Khao Yai, which is like near Tagaytay dito. It's a 3-hour ride, which of course we book through Klook. Ate, gamit mo rin kung kapag yung pagkinagamit. Klook then for 5% off. But yeah, it's super nice here. May mga vineyards siya. Tapos mga tours din. Tsaka very European style nung kanilang like village and property. I will show you guys. But medyo wala ako sa mood ngayon kasi hindi ako katunawan kagabi. This is the second time. Like our last trip, diba? Sa Bangkok. After like the last day namin. After namin lumabas nila Aika. Nag-tom yum ako. So, naano si ate girl. Huwag siya natunawan. Like, bonggang-bongga for the suka levels. Eh, kagabi, nag-curry ako. Pero, 1 piece lang. Girl, ito pa yung nangyari sa isang piraso mo. Parang, ayan, is up for me na. Oh, eh. Pero yeah, super nice here. I think I just need to move. Medyo nakapaggamot na ako. But, ayun. This is the views. Super nice. Parang ka nasa ibang lugar. Hindi talaga siya nakaka-Thailand ate. Pero okay lang. Sobrang ganda. And first time ko rin mag-vineyard, I think. Yeah. I haven't really been to a vineyard my whole life. So I'm pretty excited about that. Wine tasting, I am not sure if maabutan pa namin. But yeah. Thank you! Taste test ng taong may hyperacidity. Ano? Stop. Yeah. Eat it. Dad reveal. Eat it. So nice. Dito po tayo sa aming hacienda, Luisita. Pagdating niyo naman ang aming hacienda. Nak, lahat na nakikita mo, atin yan. We just finished eating dinner and we're finally going home. So excited. Naumiga sa kama. It was such a long day. And grabe talaga yung tiyan na to. OA na. 1, 2, 3. Hindi ako natutuwa sa kanya. Pero saya naman today. Ito mga pictures. Abangan. So it's our day 6 and now it's me and Achi's day ulit. And kakain kami sa may Pratunam area or sa may Platinum ng chicken rice dahil yung chan ko, hindi pa rin siya okay. Ayoko na. Bangkok, this is a goodbye. But this is what we're eating. Not fried for me though. Yung steamed, ayun. White chicken for me. So, parang ano, Hainanese chicken rice ang eksena niya. Medyo may pila lang, but it's the original since 1932. By the way guys, yung top ko ngayon is from the brand na binili ko dun sa Quezon Mall. Puro Thai brands doon. This is called My Son. Sobrang ganda. Ang bilis. At merong Betamax. Betamax na eksena. Good afternoon. It's our 6th day here in Bangkok. Ang 1 month na. But today is finally me and Audrey's museum day. We're going to Museum of Contemporary Art, which is 30 minutes away, or 20 minutes according to the Google Maps ni Koya, from where we're at. Super excited kasi tagal ko na siya makikita sa TikTok and wala, bucket list ko talaga na pumunta. And muntik pa kaming hindi matuloy. Dami nagka-cancel sa amin. Then after, we plan to go to Songwat, which is like a cute little neighborhood. Very vibey. Sabi ko kaya Atsi, punta kami ng mga may araw pa. So mga like 4, alis na kami 4:30 para lahat na ng adventure time namin magawa na namin today. Kasi free day namin siya. Free day. Kala mo na sa ano. Kasi at least di kami nagmamadali for dinner. So, pwede kami dun sa Songwat area maghanap na lang ng kakainin. Sobrang cool kasi like yung mga walls niya. Basta papakita ko na lang mamaya kung matuloy kami. Yahoo! We got our tickets. Medyo mahal pala siya. 280 baht per person. So hopefully, it's worth it. Sito mo sa labas. Wonderful agad. Okay, let's go, T. It's so cute.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
nakahabol. Si Tito. Guys, meet Tito Mix. Villamangka. Nakahabol siya dito sa aming museum date. Pero yung outfit niya, hindi nakahabol. Ito, yung mga, ayan o. Ito yung maganda. These are the nice. Ayan o, ang gaganda.
Picture me somewhere here.
Of course, akin na. Yan, go. Ikakat ko yung shorts, no?
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby,
It looks good. Taste test. I said no milk kasi hindi tayo pwedeng sumakit ulit yung chan. Kakaayos pa rin dyan.
Baka masira ko ulit yung chan niya. Sige.
Get yours right. It's so refreshing. Here.
Sige, can I try?
Yeah. Yung patry ko din kay Ate. Share pa sila ng straw. Sorry. Sarap, di ba?
Sarap pa ako, Jill.
Lychee smoothie lang, but no milk. Vietnamese dinner! Woo! Finally, we have some clean eating to do. Kasi sobrang punong-puno na kami ng herbs and spices. So, Vietnamese dinner muna kami for tonight. We got beef pho and some fresh spring rolls na parating pa lang. Day 7, aka our last day here. Uwian na talaga. Uwian na. Pero finally, mayroon na naman kaming adventure time ni Ate. So, nasa Polo Fried Chicken kami. Another Michelin star restaurant. So excited. We just ordered half chicken and corn salad because I love my corn. And rice. Today, our plans are just to eat here kasi late na kami lumabas, 2:30 na. Tapos, mag-ano kami, ikot-ikot na lang sa mga, ano bang last minute shopping na gusto namin gawin. Food is here. So, we're just done eating lunch and shopping ulit. And dito kami ngayon to have a massage for 500 baht because wala kayong magawa at inaanto ko. So, massage na lang kami. We'll be back after the massage. Bye, Bangkok. See you later. Or not. Boosh.